Are you happy we pick you up?
Yes, yes, I eat my own going my yabi.
Wow, very good.
I said, go yabi because teacher, I eat your own.
Very good. Then you eat on your own.
I eat apple, not I eat orange, I eat Oreo. When I open my food, I eat my apples.
Very good. High five.
I do that. No, I do that.
Then
I do that. Eat juice.
high five, mommy.
But I eat with that.
Then pwede high five.
Yabi.
Wow, galing naman. My baby so big na.
I thought because I eat rice.
Very good. You're not sick anymore?
Yes, you say?
Oh.
Okay, my yabi. Yabi.
Not sick.
Yabi. Yabi. If you tell me, I say yabi.
Say mo, Yabi.
Yummy.
Yabi.
Say ka ng yabi.
Yabi.
Galing. Hindi na sick na.